This was the old image, and then we changed it to this one. See the difference? Now it's more detailed, more information packed. And guess what? Just from this simple change, their sales increased. So, here's the point. Your main image matter. When a buyer comes to Amazon and search, main image is the first thing they notice. And if your main image cannot catch buyer's eye, people won't click. Let me show you an example. If I go to Amazon and type something like organic supplement for men, I'm scrolling and at bottom this one instantly grab my attention. Why? Super simple. At a glance, I can see all the ingredients. The quantity is right there, and even the capsules, how they actually look, and that instantly build trust. Now look at this one. All I see is the brand name, and that's it. No details, no key information, nothing. That makes me want to click. And the funny thing, neither of the listing breaks Amazon's rules. But the first one feels open and buyer friendly. Well, the second one feels like it's hiding something, even though it's not. That's the trick. Your main image decides if the shoppers stop and click or just scroll past. So the question is, how do you create a main image that will get clicked? I'm gonna share some hacks we Ecomclips successfully applied and always get the best results from them. The first hack is use image props. This one uses props and this one doesn't. And honestly, the difference is huge. When shoppers are scrolling on Amazon, they make split-second decisions based on what pops out first. A plain bottle looks clean, sure, but when you add props like turmeric powder, capsules, and fresh ginger, it instantly grabs attention. Do you know why? Because it shows exactly what's inside without forcing people to squint at the level. And not just that, it feels more premium and trustworthy since customers see the real ingredient right there in the image. Props makes your product stand out. Shoppers quickly see what's inside and why it matters. But sometimes that's not enough. Buyers also need to spot the key benefit right away. That's where the next trick comes in, adding keywords into your main image. But Amazon is strict about main images. You can't just throw in a random text or graphics. It's against the rules. Your product has to be on a plain white background. But there's still a clever way to play this game. See this cookie tray? Without even reading the description, you instantly know the key info. That's a huge advantage. Now think about it. When someone searches for cookie tray, they usually have specific needs like right size or maybe a non-stick option. So when this image shows up, it speaks directly to those needs. So chances are they're gonna click it. By smartly using keywords on the image like non-stick or easy to clean, you make the benefit crystal clear at a glance. Well, keywords help shoppers see the value instantly, but there's another detail that can seal the deal even faster, which is showing the exact quantity. Because people want to know what they're really getting before they click. Show the quantity clearly, like this image. Right away, you know it's 120 tablets. Or take this cookie tray. You can instantly see it comes in 3 different sizes. When shoppers see exactly how much they are getting, it builds trust and speeds up their decision. Now, showing the exact quantity gives shoppers clarity and builds trust, but grabbing their attention in the first place is just as important. That's where colors comes in. A bold, vibrant image can make your product stand out instantly, even before they notice the quantity or benefits. Let me show you an example. When I search for transparent bottle in Amazon, between 2 options, it's the colorful one that catches my eyes first. Both are transparent, but splash of the color immediately draws attention. In Amazon search result, shoppers scroll fast. They rarely read any title. They rely on visuals to decide what to click. So if your competitors' listings are dull, but yours has a bold, attractive color scheme, you win that click. Now, the next hack is show various angles. A plain front-facing image of the product can feel pretty boring unforgettable. But when you show the product from an angle with natural shadows, it looks more real and interesting. For example, these two pictures of the chair. One is just basic front shot on a white background, while the others shows the chair front and side with a shadows that gives it depth. The second one is way more eye-catching and helps shoppers get a better sense of what the chair actually looks like. And if your product has cool features like hidden storage or built-in speakers, make sure to show them from different angles. This way, you're not just showing the product, you're telling its story, helping customers picture it in their own lives. Alright, there are some basics I need to tell you. First, you need to take a professional, high quality picture of your items. This is your first chance to make a great impression. Think of it as your product's debut on stage. A well-lit, detailed image lets customers see every feature, making them feel like they already own it. So, set up a clean background, use a natural light, and capture your product from its best angles. This extra effort helps build trust, spark curiosity, and invites customers to imagine your item as a part of their own lives. Choose the right angle to show the items. Use good lighting that shows clearly. Well, I think you got this. That's it for today, guys. If you want more tips and strategies, head over to ecomclips.com. We have packed it with resources to help you level up your Amazon business. And hey, if you need a help, our team of 300 plus e-commerce experts is always there. We have been doing this for 12 years, managing thousands of bestseller products, and we'd love to help you too. Book a same-day call with us and let's talk about how we can boost your account together. See you soon.